Once upon a time, in a small picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and a crystal-clear river, there lived a young woman named Alara. She was known far and wide for her remarkable ability to communicate with animals. From the smallest songbird to the mightiest wolf, all creatures of the forest seemed to understand her. And she, in turn, could understand them. Alara's gift had been with her since she was a child. Her parents, farmers who tilled the fertile lands surrounding their home, often found her sitting by the riverbank, chattering away with the fish or laughing with the squirrels in the trees. The villagers, at first, thought it was mere child's play, but as Alara grew older, her abilities became undeniable. One sunny morning, a distressed messenger from the neighboring kingdom arrived in the village. The king's prized stallion, Silverwind, had fallen gravely ill, and despite the best efforts of the royal stable hands and healers, the horse's condition worsened by the day. Desperation had led them to seek Alara's help, for they had heard whispers of her extraordinary talent. Alara agreed to accompany the messenger to the Grand Kingdom, though her heart was heavy at the thought of leaving her beloved village behind. As she arrived at the opulent palace, she was met with curious gazes and whispered skepticism from the royal court. Nevertheless, she was determined to help Silverwind, for she knew that the horse's well-being was essential to the kingdom's prosperity. Approaching the ailing stallion, Alara gently placed her hand on his quivering flank. Closing her eyes, she entered a deep state of concentration, reaching out to the horse with her thoughts. In her mind's eye, she saw Silverwind's pain and fear. He told her about an enchanted flower hidden deep in the nearby Whispering Woods, known for its miraculous healing properties. With this newfound knowledge, Alara set out on a quest. She ventured into the dense and mystical Whispering Woods, guided by the whispers of the ancient trees. Along her journey, she encountered talking animals, from wise old owls to playful foxes, who offered their guidance and protection. After days of searching, Alara discovered the elusive enchanted flower. Glowing with an ethereal light, she carefully plucked it and returned to the palace. As she fed a petal to Silverwind, a wave of healing energy washed over him, and his strength returned with each bite. The king and his courtiers watched in awe as the horse stood tall and healthy once more. The grateful king offered Alara a place of honor in his palace, but she declined. Her heart belonged to her village and the creatures of the forest. Alara returned home, where she continued to live a simple, happy life, sharing her gift with those who needed it. And so, in a world where kindness, empathy, and a unique connection with nature held great power, Alara's story became a legend, passed down through generations as a reminder that the most extraordinary gifts are often found within the hearts of the most humble souls.
Certainly. Here are some of the words from the story separated out with their meanings. 1. Enchanted, having magical properties or qualities. 2. Mystical, relating to or characteristic of mysticism. 3. Opulent, characterized by luxury. 4. Skepticism, a skeptical attitude or doubt regarding the truth. 5. Ethereal, extremely delicate, light, or otherworldly. Quest, a long or arduous search for something. Empathy, often associated with compassion and emotional understanding. 8. Humble, having a modest and unpretentious nature. 9. Legend, mythology or folklore. 10. Extraordinary, remarkable or exceptional. These definitions should help clarify the meanings of some of the more challenging words in the story.